Joe, 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 Joe. So your morning started and you don't know what's up. Give me your ear and a grab of your cup. It's the time of the week you've been waiting for. So tune on in and we'll give you some more. Cause there's only one show that makes you good to go. It's Cup of Joe. Cup of Joe. Cup of Joe. Joe.
Hey Rams, this is Sheila Bourke
and Samantha Rodriguez.
and happy AAPI month.
On April 26th, we had our second annual Asian American Pacific Islanders Month Assembly hosted by AAPI Club. It was a huge success, with the audience being very enthusiastic and supportive.
They got to enjoy music, dance, poetry, and so much more. So here's the highlights.
Enjoy!
Okay, what's going on today?
All right, so we are having our second annual AAPI Assembly, and it's for Asian American Pacific Islanders Month, and we are so excited to be having everyone participate. Welcome to our second annual AAPI Club Assembly!
Despite death threats and rumors of insurgency, Queen Bourke was determined to restore power to the people.
We hope you enjoyed Cup of Joe's AAPI month assembly recap.
Thank you so much for watching, Rams. Pamama'ala.
再见。
Clink!